Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Furniture Mover set is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly essential tools for anyone who has ever faced the daunting task of rearranging a room, deep cleaning behind heavy appliances, or even just shifting furniture for a new aesthetic, transforming what used to be a back-breaking chore into a surprisingly simple and effortless endeavor, saving your energy and your floors from scratches. Number 5. Loyal Tiger 1,500 pounds Furniture Dolly Set with Lifter. Introducing the Loyal Tiger 1,500 pounds Furniture Dolly Set. This heavy-duty system is engineered to move your heaviest items with ease and confidence. It's perfect for large appliances and furniture. Built with thickened carbon steel and a reinforced structure, it safely handles up to 1,500 pounds. You can rely on its stability and durability for all your moving needs. Each mover features 5 smooth, 360 degrees rotating wheels for superior weight distribution and easy maneuverability. The upgraded center wheel design improves load bearing while protecting your floors. Equipped with dual locking brakes, it keeps your furniture securely in place. Its L-shaped edge and anti-slip pads prevent shifting, ensuring safety and stability during transport. Use the included extended lifter pry bar to raise items effortlessly, then position the dollies for smooth transportation. This system makes furniture relocation simple, even for one person. Perfect for hardwood, tile, laminate, and concrete surfaces, it's suitable for refrigerators, washers, sofas, and more. Use it in homes, offices, warehouses, or workshops for all your heavy lifting. What we like. This heavy-duty set boasts an impressive 1,500 pounds capacity and an upgraded 5-wheel stability system. If you have extremely heavy appliances like refrigerators or washers, this robust mover ensures stable and secure transport. Its dual locking wheels provide extra safety, making it ideal for big moves. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Unable to select helpful details as the input for reviews was empty. Number 4. Upgrade Furniture Sliders Multi-Surface 3-in-1 Movers Kit. Discover a revolutionary way to move your furniture. This kit features a unique, patent-pending design, ensuring you have the best tools for the job. It's a comprehensive 3-in-1 kit. You get an extendable furniture lift, 8 carpet sliders, and 4 plush socks for hard floors, covering all your moving needs. Crafted from high-quality materials, these movers feature a unique groove design for superior grip. They are glue-free, won't stain your furniture, and can be reused repeatedly. Moving heavy items is now simple. Just use the lift to place them under your furniture, and effortlessly glide it across any surface. You can easily switch between carpet and hard floors, saving your back from strain. Protect your precious floors from damage. The sliders prevent carpet indentations, while the soft socks ensure no scratches on hard surfaces. You can even leave them under frequently moved furniture for continuous protection. These versatile movers work with all types of furniture, from sofas and beds to armoires and tables. You'll be amazed at how easily you can rearrange your space with them. What we like. This unique 3-in-1 kit offers incredible versatility for multiple surfaces. If you are looking for a solution that works seamlessly on both carpets and hard floors, its unique groove design and included plush socks make it perfect. It's also reusable, offering great value for various moving tasks. What people say. Number 3. Extendable Furniture Mover Rollers. Tired of struggling with bulky appliances and furniture? Moving them can be dangerous and difficult. This innovative tool makes transferring heavy items smooth and safe. Designed for heavy furniture and appliances like washing machines, refrigerators, and sofas. It helps you move them with ease, eliminating the hassle and risk. Equipped with 24 high-strength wheels, it can support up to 660 pounds without breaking. You can rely on its robust construction for long-term, reliable use. Its length is fully adjustable, expanding from 17 to 27.56 inches. This wide range ensures it fits various furniture widths, offering broad applicability. Using it is incredibly simple. Just loosen the screws, adjust to the desired length, tighten, and place it under your furniture. It's ready in moments. Each end features cushioned pads to protect your appliance's underside. Plus, it includes brake equipment to lock the wheels, preventing any accidental movement. What we like. Featuring an impressive 24 high-strength rollers and an adjustable length, this tool is highly adaptable. If you need to move appliances of varying sizes, its extendable design ensures a perfect fit every time. The numerous rollers provide smooth movement for items up to 660 pounds, making it great for specific appliance relocation. What people say. Number 2. New upgrade furniture movers with wheels. Experience the difference with our uniquely designed furniture gliders. They are protected by patent, ensuring you get an innovative and reliable solution. These new furniture movers feature an anti-slip groove design and pads. This prevents your furniture from sliding during movement, ensuring safety for both your items and yourself. Crafted from thickened, high-quality plastic with a reinforced base, these heavy-duty sliders are built to last. Their widened 360-degree silent rubber wheels move flexibly without damaging your floors. This comprehensive set includes 4 360-degree rotation sliders, a pry bar, and anti-slip pads. It's lightweight, easy to use, and designed to make your moving experience more efficient. Simply use the pry bar to lift your heavy furniture, then slide the rollers underneath each corner. You can now effortlessly move objects up to 750 pounds with minimal effort. With this tool, you can easily move beds, sofas, tables, cabinets, and appliances like refrigerators or washing machines. It works perfectly on hardwood, tile, and laminate flooring. What we like. With 360-degree rotatable wheels and an anti-slip groove design, this set prioritizes maneuverability and safety. If you like to easily steer heavy furniture in tight spaces without damaging your floors, its silent rubber wheels are a game-changer. It's perfect for navigating around corners with items up to 750 pounds. What people say. Number 1. Heavy-duty 5-wheel furniture dolly set. This furniture dolly is crafted from premium carbon steel, ensuring maximum strength and durability. It's built to effortlessly handle heavy loads up to 3,300 pounds, making it perfect for your largest items. Designed for convenience, it's incredibly easy to use and maneuver, even in tight spaces. When not needed, this set disassembles and stores compactly in its included handbag, saving you valuable space. This tool set is ideal for moving heavy home furniture like couches, refrigerators, or pianos. It helps you avoid the hassle and physical strain of moving these items on your own. Its uses are truly endless, from rearranging furniture at home to loading heavy items onto a truck. You'll find yourself reaching for this practical tool again and again for various tasks. The comprehensive package includes multiple moving dollies, a pry bar, spacers, non-slip pads, gloves, a handbag, a bungee cord, and a microfiber towel. Everything you need for a smooth move is right here. What we like. This beast offers an unparalleled 3,300 pounds load capacity, built with premium carbon steel for maximum strength. If you have exceptionally heavy items like pianos or industrial equipment, this is your ultimate solution for extreme loads. Plus, its easy to disassemble and store design means it won't clutter your space when not in use. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.